guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Happy New Year, welcome back. I'm going to do my best this year to try and post more videos and be more consistent. And so I'm starting it off this year with a haul that is from stuff that I received as Christmas gifts, as well as thrift stores and an antique mall. And so let's just jump right into it. Most of this haul are vintage books that I will either resell on my Etsy shop or use them as journals. But yeah, so awesome. I found a big bundle at an antique mall of the little golden telltale books, and then I received some for Christmas, and then I found some vintage record books that I'm actually going to keep for myself because they have the record, and I received a record player for Christmas. It was something that I had asked for. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. I also have another haul of stuff that I didn't want to overwhelm you with all in one video, so there will be a second part to this, and just be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a video. Alrighty, so on this side here, a really cute Rescuers ABC book. Adorable. Those are from of 1977. Super cute. It's a Donald Duck one on Tom Sawyer's Island. This is really cute. Let's see where that one is. That one's from 1960. And these are all in really good shape. Here is a Bambi one. And if you have not seen or haven't watched any of my videos, if you're new here, I love vintage items, and I make junk journals, and I also scrapbook. I love to do any kind of crafting. I have an Etsy shop, and I also resell on eBay. I will put both links for those down below, and you can follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. I love just any kind of paper crafting, whatever. So there's a Bambi, there's Mickey Mouse and the Pet Show. 1976, super cute. Tweety and Sylvester. I found also some vintage Looney Tunes, Daffy Duck and Tweety and Sylvester puzzles, kids puzzles, 100-piece puzzles, and I have those in my eBay store, so if you're interested in those, you can go on over there. But that was fun. I hadn't put together a puzzle in years, and this one has a little bit of damage. It's wrinkled, but it's still super cute. Daffy Duck and the Space Creature. Tom and Jerry, The Big Move. 1985. It's really cute. Bugs Bunny Rides Again. And then I found The Animals of Farmer Jones. I have made farm journals in the past. I think I've made 4 of them so far, 3 or 4. And I love doing them, so I have lots of stuff to make farm journals, and I'm going to make one out of this one. And then I also found Eloise Wilkins' Mother Goose. Oh, I forgot to let you know what the date on this one was. 1953. So it's super fun. It's probably a reproduction though, because they obviously wouldn't have had scan UPCs in 1953. Oh, 1970. So that's the last print of this one. Still really cute book. And then here's the Mother Goose one. This one is from 1961. And I will probably make this one into a journal as well. Super cute. And then here's some more little golden telltale books. Donald Duck and his Super Sticky Secret. This is really cute. 1979. It's adorable. I haven't actually made any, well, I have a lot of Disney stuff I need to make journals. I've made princess journals, and I did make a Christmas Mickey Mouse journal. Dennis the Menace, really cute. 1987. It's adorable. And then here are some, these are in rough shape. But so these will probably be made into journals because they're in pretty rough shape. But these are super cute. I love, they are a little bit older, I believe, than, and these are the elf books. This is, I don't remember the, Roman numerals down there. Super cute though. Baby's Own Mother Goose. Love it. It's really cute. And then here is another goose. This is a Whitman book. And still in Roman numerals, so I'm gonna have to look those up. But it's coming apart there. So these will probably definitely be made into journals because there's damage. Here's a elf book of the town mouse and the country mouse. And this one, again, in Roman numerals. So they're probably really, really old. And then the three bears. This is really cute. Oh, so adorable. There's that. Okay, and then I found some old playing cards. They came as a set. And they're little miniature. And they just have really fun illustrations. These have the numbers. They're so cute. I can focus there. It's adorable. So that's what that one looks like. The Crazy Eight. Oh no, that was the Hearts game. And then this is the, you know, I think, yeah, maybe this is the Crazy Eights, but aren't those cute? It's adorable. And then there's Animal Rummy. And these are really adorable too. That one's cute. A cat, a rabbit, and an owl. And then the last one is called Snap, which I've never played Snap before. I've played all the other ones. I would have to refresh my memory as to how to play them again, but I have played all the other ones. I'd never heard of this one before. It has a lot of animal cards. Really cute. And then I found this vintage little card set at a thrift store. It's just the cats and they're all the same, but I have that for doing cat journals, so I thought that was cute. I think they were 50 cents. These were from an antique mall, so they were, I think, $7 for the 4 of them, but I would use them spread out throughout many projects. So all right, then, as I said before, I had asked for a record player for Christmas, and I received a new, like, I asked for a specific one, a Victrola, and I'll have to show you that and do like a video of all my records that I have. But I found these at a thrift store, and this is the Small World, and these actually have the records in them. A lot of times I find these books and I'll use them for my journals and they don't have the records, but these actually did. And so yeah, the Aristocats. And unfortunately, the child that had these, well, you know, they can do whatever they want with them. They own them, but they did color them and kind of marked some of the pages, but that's fine. I'm totally fine with that. The only thing I did not like is that the thrift store stapled the price onto it. So like I need to take this out, but I think that's crazy that they would do that. Yeah. So yeah, super cute though. I love Small World Ride at Disneyland, and then I love cats, so that was a good find. And then I found this. This isn't for journals, this is for my record player, and it's Alvin's Orchestra, and it has the David Seville and the Chipmunks, so that's cool. And this one has Ragtime Cowboy Joe. Not sure what that is. I haven't listened to this yet, but it's always fun to find these, and I still love the Chipmunks, so super cute. And I have been finding, I have some Charlie Brown Christmas different items that I want to use to make a journal for next year, so I picked this one up to go with that. And then the last few items here were all in a bundle, and they're music writing books. So these will just be added papers in my journals. These are blank. Some of them, I think all these blue ones, at least those two. No, they're all three are blank. And then this one is a little bit older, and it's blank too. And then this one had some writing in it. So there's some stuff in there, but that's fine. There's some empty pages in the back, but I just thought they were cool. So those will be like added pages into my journals, the blank, you know, different pages that I always do. So hopefully you like this little haul, and be sure to subscribe and come back, because I'll have another haul of some really fun stuff that I found. And yeah, and I also have, I have a craft with me coming up where I made my my 2021 calendar with an authentic calendar kit that I found at Tuesday Morning. So I've made most of it, and I saved the last month, December, to do craft with me, you know, just to do along with that. It was kind of going back to my roots of scrapbooking, but I love authentic papers. And when I found that at Tuesday Morning a few months ago, I knew I had to do it, because I always have a calendar up, and I used to do plan with me videos and have a planner, but I loved decorating it, but wasn't very consistent at keeping the planner and writing my things down. But I'm really good at the calendar up on the board in my kitchen, so I always keep things written in there. So I figured might as well make a scrapbooked calendar, and then I'll be able to have those pages for just like a year in my yearly scrapbook of all the different months. So yeah, so follow me along and follow along with me and with my little fun crafty journey. And if you have been following me these past couple years, I appreciate you. Happy New Year. I hope that you are all safe and healthy, and cheers for 2021. And it's good to see you guys or hear you guys or whatever. If you leave me a comment, tell me how you're doing, and I'll talk to you later. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.